Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful natural repair and nourishing body butter. Now this body butter can be used by absolutely anyone and all skin types. This body butter can be used as your maintenance cream, as your day cream, to repair and nourish your skin and give it the nutrients that it needs to remain plump and healthy. All right, now if this is your first time coming across the channel, thank you so much. Please scroll down below and click on the subscribe button to join the Bloom Skincare family. Turn on your post notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. And if you're an old subscriber, if you're an old OG, I say thank you so much for watching my videos, and let's get into today's video. The butter we'll be working with today is our shea butter, alright? And shea butter is a very beautiful butter for your body. It helps to hydrate the skin, it helps to condition and soften the skin. It acts as an antioxidant to help eradicate radicals. It also helps to heal the skin of wounds and scars. It helps with stretch marks. So into our shea butter, we'll be adding our sunflower oil. Now, because we want to be able to use this butter for both our face and body, we are very careful to use sunflower oil, which is a non-comedogenic oil that can go for either your face or your body. So we'll be taking this to the double boil, all right, to melt down our butter and oil, and then we'll be right back. So here we have our shea butter and sunflower oil mixture all properly melted. You can see there's no cloudiness, there's no lumps left in it. You have to melt the butter down completely. But because this is a lot of butter and this bowl is a bit too small, I'll be turning this into a bigger container. Next is to turn our oil into the freezer and blast chill it. Now that our oil has been chilled down, I want you to take note of the consistency or the velocity of this oil or butter. Now, when you're chilling your oil, make sure that it doesn't get too hard. You can see that the oil is still soft. This is going to make it very easy to whip this oil into a cream, or whip this butter into a cream. So we'll be going in with our collagen extract. Collagen is very good for your skin. It helps to repair your skin. It helps to give your skin that youthful look. It helps to give your skin elasticity. Collagen is also an anti-aging ingredient. Up next is our vitamin E, and vitamin E is an amazing antioxidant. This is going to help fight free radicals on your skin. It's going to help protect your skin, give you a soft and subtle smoothness to your skin. All right, this is also going to help elongate the shelf life of our product. It's going to act as a preservative, because I don't intend to add any preservative to this formulation. Next, we'll be going in with our essential oil, and of course we're using tea tree essential oil. The essence of this particular essential oil is for those of you that have acne, those of you that have like facial reactions of some sort. Tea tree oil is an antibacterial oil, and it's very good for treating acne and other facial reactions. All right, so that is why we are using it here. You can use it on your face and you can use it on your body. At this point, I'm going to be getting my whisk so I can blend my butters and oil together to form my body butter. You can do this either with a whisk or with an emulsion blender, but I have my whisk right here, so that's what I'm using. Alright, so when blending your butter, please be very careful not to blend for too long. You don't want to add too much air bubbles into your butter. Alright, you just want to blend it for a bit. Make sure it feels very creamy and smooth, and your recipe or your formulation is done. The full detailed recipe will appear along the way in this video, so keep watch for that. But first, I want to talk to you about our ultra whitening skincare training currently going on. Like, this is a beautiful training, and I don't want you guys to miss this opportunity to learn how to make amazing and effective skincare products by yourself. All right, these are standard products that would not damage your skin, that will give you a flawless and lightened complexion. So if you're interested in registering to make this class to learn from me, whether you're a beginner, whether you already have some skincare knowledge, if you just want to make active products, contact us via the WhatsApp number on your screen right now to register for your class and make so much money this new year. Now that our butter is done, we're just going to get our container and we're going to turn this right into our container. All right, can you see how beautiful this butter is? Like, it's so creamy, it's so luscious. You can use this morning and night. You can use this on your kids. You can use this as an adult. You can use this especially as your day cream. Those of you that still like to bleach can use your lightening cream at night, but this should be used especially during the day to moisturize and glow you properly. Can you see how beautiful that looks? It's going to really hydrate you. Don't forget to like and share the video. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button below to join the Bloom Skincare family, and then see you in my next video.